Girlies, welcome back. I have a little summer outfits video for you. I thought I would quickly talk through some of the recent outfits I've been wearing. I'm wearing my glasses. I don't know, I wore them in vlog. My eyes are so dry. They're in dust or whatever because I've been sneezing a ton all week, and that's what I've been told. I thought I would also put together a couple outfits as well. If you guys are new, hi, I'm Carrie. I do outfit inspo, try and haul, shopping vlogs. I feel like filming basically, so I would love if you would join us, and let's get into the first outfit. As always, I will link everything down below for you guys, sizing details, all the things. Some of the links will take you right to the page and some will take you to my Like to Know It. If you don't follow me on Like to Know It yet, I would love it if you would. I've said this in other videos, but I'm trying to get to the top 1,000 creators by December 15th, which is my birthday. So I feel like that could be good luck. All right, so anyways, for the first outfit, we're gonna talk about what I wore this morning. Every Saturday we get up and we go to the farmer's market. We walk around, we get coffee, just kind of very casual. I always dress in casual / activewear. Usually we walk the bridge. 7 weeks ago, I broke my toe. Haven't been able to do that. It's getting better though. Today, I actually wanted to wear, maybe I could just take off and give you a close look. I wanted to wear these new sneakers, which are currently on sale, so hopefully they still will be when this video goes up. But these New Balance sneakers, I love these. I actually have them in another colorway and I wear them to work every single day, but I finally wore these pink ones. So anyway, I wanted to structure the outfit around the sneakers. I kind of was waiting to pull them out this time of year. I don't want to wear them to work because at work my sneakers always get dirty from the up-down table. I have to use my foot on this bar, and my right sneaker always gets dirty. So anyways, then I styled them with these aloe shorts. Love them, just a really comfy short. I do have a matching zip up, but it was way too hot to wear that today. So I just put on this little like Nikki Bicky tank. I have these in a couple colors. I get them from South Moon Under. And then I did bring my newer Lululemon bag that I kind of bought recently to replace my belt bag. And it's working out really well. I really like it. For outfit number 2, I'm actually going to a wedding today. Like this dress, I got it at South Moon Under. It's by Amanda Uprichard. I feel like it's a really nice dress for a summer wedding. I have a video of the future so we can see how I styled it. I'm planning on curling my hair. Yesterday I washed my hair and just like blew it dry. Nothing crazy. I'm gonna curl it. I just like it better curled. Plus if I do the blowout look, it just doesn't hold. I'm not sure what shoes I'm gonna wear. Basically, we'll see in pictures or videos that I pop up of what I ended up going with as far as accessories. And number 3, I'm gonna pop up what I wore last night to date night. The last 2 Fridays, my husband and I went to the same restaurant called like Asian fusion vibes maybe. But anyways, they have ramen, poke bowls, stuff like that. And we've been really enjoying going the last 2 Fridays because last Friday I decided I needed a break from drinking. So we didn't want to go to any of our regular places. This place does have food and wine, but it doesn't scream like go sit at the bar. There isn't bar and drink. So we've really enjoyed it. So last night I wore my Abercrombie mini skirt, as you can see. Love it, love it, love it. I have it in so many colors. I finally wore the blue one. I've had it for a while, haven't worn it. I planned on wearing it as a monochromatic look, but the blue Ava tank I got was dirty. And then the other blue tank I got, I felt like it'd be a little bit too dressy. So I did this new Aritzia bodysuit that I just picked up. It was freezing in there, so I did have to put on my little cardigan that I got from Madewell, and I was still cold with that on. Styled it with some new sandals I just picked up. I could show you a close-up of them. Like, how cute are these? Can you see that they have like this beaded, almost to look like shell detail? Absolutely love them. I love getting new shoes. I mean, who doesn't? I'm sure there's someone that doesn't. And then I did my YSL bag. I'm gonna pop up one of the outfits I wore to work this week. Usually to work I wear like joggers or pants, but on this particular day I had a light schedule at work, so I actually went to the dentist, went to this like smoothie bowl coffee place that I love to go to, that I really can only go to like when I'm in the area, and then I went into work. So I wore this set from Athleta. I really like it. It's like a soft stream material. Just did the little pullover and the little shorts, and then I actually wore my Sambas, which I usually don't wear them to work either, but I had slept over at my parents the night before and they forgot to bring like my work sneakers, but I feel like it looked really good. And then lastly, the day prior to this, I went shopping with mom on Tuesday. So this was my shopping outfit, black Aritzia tank. I absolutely love. Because I love it so much, I bought 4 more colors that day at the mall. I styled it with, which jeans did I wear? Oh, a pair of loose jeans and my Sandals, of course, and then brought my Jackie bag. So those are just some like real life outfits I've actually been wearing. Yes, I do style stuff in this room. I post stuff on all the different platforms, short content, long content of outfit ideas, but those are things I've actually worn in the last week. I'm gonna put together a few more outfits for you to give you some summer inspo just from some recent pieces I've picked up. Tuesday, I just picked up these sandals in 3 different colors. So they're Sam Edelman, just a jelly thong. Super simple. They come in whole sizes, so I did get an 8, and they're on sale for $23.90. So that's why I got 3 colors, because I don't have any, like all my like beach sandals per se, or just like the rest feel slides, and I wanted to get thongs again because we're just seeing them all over the place again. So I'm gonna actually style each pair. I styled the black ones first, put on this new set. I just got this in from Aloe not too long ago. It's their newer cropped Accolade. So I love their Accolade sweatshirt that's like long and oversized, but they did this cropped one and they just started coming out with it in different colors. So I got this, I think it's deep red, something like that it's called. Got the shorts because it's a little bit better for this time of year than the sweatpants. I feel like this is just a perfect casual little look. This would be a good travel outfit too. I just thought like maybe in the car, like I could get not wanting to wear shorts on a plane. This would definitely be a good car travel fit, I feel. Then I did my Lulu bag. Love this. Like I said, this is my replacement of the belt bag, and I do have on still a little black tank that I had on earlier. I do have an Aloe tank as well, which I would probably wear because I love having like all the same brand on, but I think it's dirty. And my black sunnies, of course. And no, I did not put my contacts in, so everything's blurry, but that's okay. Next, styling the clear pair, which the thong part is just this like clear blue. Instantly when I saw these, I thought pool, beach, perfect. And I knew that I had this bathing suit from Abercrombie that I recently picked up. I have quite a few new suits to wear this summer, so I'm excited. I did 2 different ways. First, I did with the beach, like the beach cover-up pants, and then I just switched the cover-out pants for a pair of low-rise baggy denim shorts, just depending on which look is more you. Same blue top from Aritzia, same straw bag that says vitamin C in pearls. Right, lastly, this cream pair, which online they call these bright white, but they're literally cream. They're the color of my dress. Yes, I actually have the dress on, which is crazy. I know. It is horrible that like for the wedding, like I'm bloating having to wear a long dress. They're just not comfortable to me. I don't know why. But anyways, I did get this dress at South and Under. It's Free People. It's just a cute little throw-on dress. You could obviously like dress it up or down, and the sandals just keep it super casual.